we're going to be reviewing another brownie recipe to see if it's good as the Muffin Ladies. This is the recipe. The ingredients you need are 112 grams of cooking chocolate broken into pieces, 162 grams of butter, 162 grams of caster sugar, 2 eggs, 1 egg yolk, 162 grams of plain flour sifted, 50 grams of nuts, 2.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 5 tablespoons of baking powder, and just a pinch of salt.
Preheat the oven to gas mark full.
Melt the chocolate in the microwave for about 30 seconds and keep checking on it. Add the butter into a bowl, and then add some sugar, and then mix. Now beat it together. Add the 2 eggs and the yolk into the mixture, like so, and then mix until it's creamed again. Incorporate the melted chocolate into the mixture, and then mix in. Now add the 162 grams of plain flour to the mixture, and then sift it through. Add in the hazelnuts. Add in 2.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a tablespoon of baking powder, and then mix in. Spoon mixture into a greased pan. Place in the oven for 30 minutes. After half an hour, take the brownie out and then leave to cool. These brownies are 696 calories, 41 grams of fat and 76 grams of carbs, and it's only 80p per person, which obviously is a lot less than Muffin Lady, but I'm afraid they're just not as good. It's good, but no Muffin Lady. It's quite chocolatey, but just not as good as the Muffin Lady.